Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taejha. What's poppin'? So what we are going to do today is I want to try to recreate Doja Cat's like eye look that how do you even say his name on Instagram? Mogopus? Mugopus? You know, y'all know who he is on Instagram. I'm gonna show you guys a picture. This is his, let me like, cause I like screenshotted it. This is the picture he posted of Doja Cat on Instagram. Let's zoom in more so you guys can see just the eye look. So we're gonna try to recreate something of that sort. We're gonna try to recreate that. So I like pulled out every blue I have in my makeup palettes because I don't really wear blue. It's not something I like to wear all the time, but she was killing it in that video, y'all. She was killing it. Like, she looked so good. She looked so cute. So I was just like, oh, gotta do that. So we're gonna take this Morphe 39 Lights palette. So we're gonna use this blue in there, that one there. Then we're gonna also try to take this Morphe Make Life Colorful palette. We're gonna use most likely these blues here, like, let's get closer, like these teals or something, you know. And then I have this Juvia's Place Saharian palette, and we're gonna use, you know, those two blues there. So, and then most likely for like the little shimmery parts, I'm probably gonna take the silver from the Morphe Lights palette and like these little silver crystals, and then like put some blue on top of it, you know. So let's see how this goes, y'all. Let's see how this goes. And all my brushes are kind of dirty and they kind of all got brown on them, so we'll see how that works with dirty brown brushes. But and if y'all see some of my lace lifting, don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it, okay? We're just not gonna worry about it. So I really don't even know where to start. Like, okay, so it's literally like, it looks like it's just one whole blue color all around, but then it looks like he made sure to like add other colors so that it's finesse perfectly. So we're gonna just go right into this. Y'all should see how much kickback there is in this pan. Oh my god. Reason why I did not put foundation, why I don't put foundation on first before I do my eyeshadow, because Lord Jesus, I would have blue all over my face. Oh my god. Maybe I should have used a smaller brush. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just like really scared. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, you guys. It's okay. I'm just kind of like scared to use blue like this. We're really blue. Okay, so now I just need to clean my brushes after this one because there's no coming back from all this blue. So for me, I'm just gonna like darken up the lid, like the what do you call this, crease a little bit. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of the teal out of, sorry, I can't talk. Okay, so I'm gonna take I took a little bit of teal from the Life and Colors palette, and I'm gonna just darken up the crease just a little bit. I really hope this video is not a fail, you guys. Oh Lord Jesus. If it is a fail, maybe I'll still post it just so you guys can see like stuff don't be working all the time. But I feel like this is gonna come together. I feel like this is gonna look good. I don't feel like I'm gonna look like a clown. So I'm like looking at it as I'm doing it, and it's like I feel like I should put like this blue on the whole lid and the other one on top of it. So what is this? This is the blue in the Juvia's Place palette. Now I'm gonna take the lighter one, put that in the inside. Ooh, that's so pretty. This is so blue. Oh my god. This is like beyond outside of my comfort zone. I'm kind of just gonna like drag that one because I felt like it's like her blue is a lot lighter than the blues I'm working with. So pretty, you guys. Look at that. That blue is so pretty. It's like angelic. That's a mermaid right there for you. Under the sea. Oh, see, this eye came out hella better. All right, we're not gonna make them look the same, so. That's coming together, you guys. Like, that's actually coming. It's actually coming together. Oh, it's actually coming together. That's really blue for you. Whoa. So I need to add more blue here. Just gonna like stamp that in. If you guys were to see how much fallout is on this pan from the blue, I'm just glad that it's not all over my face and it's just on the pan, because whoa, Jesus. It's kind of disrespectful how much fallout there is there. Okay, that's a little lighter. Okay, so now I kind of want to like put on the rest of my face before doing more, because there's a lot going on here. I'm going to take a little bit of the white that was in this Juvia's Place palette and put it there in the center, like right in there. Probably going to need to do that again because my inner corner always gets concealer on it. But on her eyes, it's like white and then it goes light blue. So I want it to like blend into that, you know? Okay guys, so I'll be right back once my face is on and we'll get right back into these eyes, okay? All right, you guys, and we're back. Foundation, concealer, powder on. So let's fix the inner corners, make those brighter. So I'm gonna take this, it was the milk, like it's just white from the Living in Colors palette from Morphe, and then this like really light white color from Juvia's Place. Take that, use those two for like the inner highlight right here. And then her inner corner highlight is going like all the way down, like down. You know, like it's not just right in the inner corner. It's kind of going downward, so we're gonna take it down. Okay, so we got that in there. That's really pretty. Ooh, this look is coming together. She has some like shimmery blue on the lid, so I'm gonna add some glitter here. Just gonna like stamp it on. It's not really just glitter, it's actually like that silver color I showed you guys before in the Morphe palette. It's just like a really loose, like glittery really loose glitter eyeshadow. Okay, so I took the glitter and now we're gonna take the blue again and put it on top of that so that the glitter looks blue. You know? I don't want it to look silver on my eyes. There's no rules to this, you know, you just do it. You just gotta have the confidence that you can do it and just do it. And it's gonna come out good, I promise you. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's really pretty, I actually really like it. Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyeliner. No, I'll be right back. No, I guess I can do it on camera. I was gonna be right back, but I don't really want to do this on camera because I can't see. And I'm not like the best at eyeliner or nothing, but we're gonna do this. I really don't even like wearing eyeliner all the time because, so look at that, I already got eyeliner in my eye. But yeah, I really don't like wearing eyeliner all the time because like I don't like having this much darkness on my face. Eyeliner is just like a heavy like, what am I saying? It's just dark. It's good enough. I always do these ones different. I never do my eyeliner like really good, but it'll do, you guys. It will do. Good enough. Good enough. Alright, so eyeliner is on. Now she has white eyeliner on the bottom, so let's do that. If I can find any. Found some. I'm literally just crying. Okay. Tears and awe. But we're here. Goodness gracious. And then she has a little bit of the blue on the bottom lashes. So let's put some of that on. And then we're gonna put the blue on. Then I'll come back to show you guys the finished look. No, 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 no. We're not getting blue on the nose. That is not happening. We're not getting the blue nose. Only thing I don't like about this blue is that I feel like it's making the creases under my eyes like really pronounced a lot more than usual. Like you could see them a lot more. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. My lips be so dry. Oh my god. I need to really do like an exfoliation on my lips. It's really bad actually. It's pretty disrespectful. I like to keep my little cupid's bow. I don't want to round that out too much. Some people like to round it out. I like to keep it. And I don't like to overlay my bottom lip too much. Just like right there. Eye watering. I just can't help it. I'm always crying. Oh my god. You know, it's hard out here for a pimp. I'm trying to get this money for the rent. And remember, she's wearing a nude lip, so like, I need this to be pretty all the way on. And this kind of looks pink, but we're gonna do that out. And this is from the Balmain Paris collection. Ooh, pretty. But we need it to be more nude. We're gonna take this Smashbox Be Legendary Safe Word Matte. Put that on top. My lips are so dry. I know. Just disregard. And then we're gonna put some of this e.l.f. lip gloss on top to help pull it all together. I don't want it to look too glossy, you know. And there we are, you guys. And there we are, the finished look. Alright you guys, thank you so much for being here, and if you made it all the way to the end, you are a real one. If you made it all the way, comment the blue heart emoji. Comment the blue heart emoji down below. Let me know, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, share the video if you want to, tag me if you recreate the look, you know. And I just used whatever blues I had, so you could do it too. I mean, if you really want to know the blues I used, let me know and I will let you know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. It's your girl Taejha, and see you next time. Bye.